Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome to yet another video on our channel, and today we're going to be talking about an upcoming release, a smartphone which is said to be India's first 5G smartphone. Now before we get started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos like this. Now let's get this started. Now for a while now, Vivo has been teasing their sub-brand iQOO or iQOO, whatever is the pronunciation, to be coming to India with a 5G smartphone. Now this will be the first time that we get a 5G enabled smartphone in India, and it'll also be the first smartphone under the new sub-brand itself, which has been available in China for quite a while now. While scrolling through Twitter, I found out something interesting, a tweet from Raju PP who runs Tech PP. Do make sure to check out their content on YouTube as well as their portal techpp.com, since they have some great content as well. He basically reshared a tweet from Quick Info which showcased Virat Kohli holding a smartphone. Now, as Raju PP mentioned, he earlier used to use OnePlus devices, and this device seemed quite different considering that it has a small single button on the left side of the device and it seemed to be in a cover as well. Now, I was thinking, what device has just one single button on the left? I mean, Samsung has Bixby button on their left on some devices, but then again, they usually are accompanied by volume rockers on one side. So that led to the search for the phone which was in the picture. Now, I also noticed that there was no camera module in the center. He didn't seem like he was putting his finger on it or something like that. So you can see a small cutout below his middle finger and the other finger also, where you can see a slight hint of a camera there. And the number of phones that are having cameras on the side are quite limited, especially if you look at the overall things. And I just did a bit of research and I stumbled upon the iQOO or iQOO Pro 5G smartphone. So then the question was that the case looked like a Spigen case, but is it actually the real deal? And then I noticed that there's a small logo there. Then I went and checked out YouTube videos of the unboxing of the smartphone, the iQOO Pro 5G, and I noticed that they have a similar case, and there's also a line that's running through the center of the case, which becomes apparent once you see it. So if you don't see that, you would just think that there's some shadow falling onto the case, but it's actually a line that's running through a center and quite a distinguishing feature as well from the rest of the phone cases that are generally available for smartphones. Now this means that we would be seeing the iQOO or iQOO Pro 5G smartphone being launched in India, and here are a rough list of specifications or the highlight features of the smartphone. The first one is the 6.41 inch Super AMOLED panel. It's a 1080p display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It comes with a Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset with Adreno 640 GPU, and I know some people were kind of expecting the 865, but I think this is kind of going to be a budget flagship of sorts, so the 855 Plus with a 5G modem kind of makes sense. You can get it in 128 or 256 GB in terms of storage with UFS 3.0, 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, and you get a triple camera at the back with a 48 megapixel half-inch sensor, 0.8 micron pixel size, f1.8 aperture, 13 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel f2.4 camera, which is a depth sensor basically, and at the front you also get a 12 megapixel f2 camera as well. Now this is powered by a 4500 mAh battery which supports 44 watt fast charging over a Type-C port, and overall the device seems quite great. And judging by the way that the brand is going, it should be priced very attractively even in India. There is a chance that we could see this under 30k rupees in India, which is an extremely attractive price point, I think, even for an 855 plus powered device, especially considering it comes with 44 watt fast charging and several other high-end specifications that you would expect from a flagship device itself. Now I'm not sure when the release will exactly be, but considering that they have also started their own Twitter page and teased the upcoming smartphone, I think the announcement could be somewhere later on in this month or latest by next month itself. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you again in the next one.